Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and guess what? We have some fun items today. The first one is one that I'm laughing. Every time I look at him, I smile. And what better of a card to send to someone than one that's just gonna make them giggle a little bit? Are you ready? I'm just gonna show you one that's done. Look at how cute this little seagull is. Now, this seagull is a slimline size seagull, meaning it's gonna fit in a standard business envelope, and you know you have tons of those business envelopes at home, right? Look at how cute this little guy is. You are mine, 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 mine. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So there is the seagull seagull fold it. I have lots of other samples to share with you. Another one that we have is an A1 for my Kit Club members, an A1 basket weave, because a lot of you have asked for that. Another one, now I have 2 more fold-its. This is like fold-it day. I have 3 fold-its we're releasing today. A dad fold-it. By popular request, we are releasing a dad fold-it, which is really fun. It also comes with the stitch dies inside that are optional. Yay. And by popular request as well, because we love to listen to our customers and our club members, a fold-it that says thank you. A fold-it that says thank you. Now I have tons of samples to share with you. Let's do the basket weave ones first. This is the A1 basket weave background. Perfect for your A1 cards, right? Here's a cute one. You made my day. Look how beautiful that is in the background over here. Here's a cute one. Kisses and Easter wishes. So beautiful. Happy Easter. Here's a cute one. It's perfect for, background dies are perfect for when you don't have a pen and paper you want to use, but you want something back there, right? But you don't want it to distract from the fun barbecue. So you're going to use that basket weave. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's get together sometime soon. Here's another cute one. Yippee. Oh, doily alert, doily alert. I always like to point out those doilies. Look how cute that is with the little picnic basket. So fun, and those cute little ants. You know I love those little ants. Okay, let's look at some dad samples. Perfect for our little ones to give to their daddies. Also for us to give to our dad. I'm gonna make one for my dad. Father's Day's coming up. You are my hero. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Using our wood grain background stamp. So pretty. Love you. Isn't that fun? I love that. Here is a very beachy one, which you know I love the beach. Look at that. Dad wrapped in our twine. You're my hero. Happy Father's Day. Oh, look how cute this one is with our little fish. Look at that. Stamps for guys. You're really cool. Happy Father's Day. Now, if you don't have a dad in your life, what if you have someone that's like a dad in your life? You could easily use this as well. Look how gorgeous this one is. Just using dies for the dad and the cute little icons right there. So fun. Celebrate. Today is all about you. Here's number 1 dad with striped paper. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's one dad. Love it. So easy peasy. Here's one dad. You are fantastic. Oh, I'm wild about you, Dad. Look at that. Isn't it cute? Oh, and look how fun this one is. You're really cool with that fish in the background. And you know what? This is a shaker. Yes, there's enough dies in there to make a shaker. Now, let's jump and look at those thank yous. You know I'm saving those seagulls for last because they're my favorite. Okay, here is a cute one. Thank you. If you do the background card a little different, meaning you die cut the background on the fold, but you're going to also make an extra fold. Look at what you can do. You can make it stand up. You can make it stand up. Isn't that awesome? It is standing up. Thank you with our triplet butterfly. Here's a gorgeous one. Thank you. So fun. Beautiful. Another thank you using shakers. You can make it a shaker card if you want to. Ooh, how fun is this one? Thank you. Now this one is using our pop-up card. Look how cute that is. So I'm sorry, this is the word stand up, but without the word, and here we have it pop up, which is really fun, right? Here is a thank you with some fun pattern paper. Another shaker, because you know we can never have too many shakers in our lives, am I right? Here's a beautiful one, thank you. Now you can also just put it on a regular card if you want to. If you just want it to be a big thank you, look at that. So there's options, options, options. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Look at this. Look at this. Michelle, once again, has knocked our socks off with this cute little stuffy from our wool felt. And I'm telling you guys, my babies love these little stuffies. They just play with them and play with them. Look how cute this little seagull is. Here's a cute one. Happy anniversary, using our fun anchor fold it, which is really cute. You are unsinkable. Open up. Look at that. We can have our message in there. So cute. Here's a fun one. Look at that. Seagull. Look at that. Look how cute this guy is. Life is better with sandy toes. So cute. I absolutely love this guy. Or you can make him pink. Isn't this absolutely adorable? Using the polar bear to stamp hat. Look at that, and the scarf. Lighthouse to stamp birds. 3D ink, of course, so Cheryl made this. Hexagon background dies for the glasses. Look at how cute that is, and our cute little kite to stamp. The sky's the limit. Here's just a basic one. Hey, do a basic one if you want to. That's okay, right? Look at this. And then look at that cute little bucket on the top. Isn't that absolutely adorable? So cute. More sand to stamp, alphabets for typewriter. Mine, mine, mine. Club members, come on. You know the deal. Flash sale prices when they're first released, and your club discount, because our club members, we love you so much. Club members get the family discount, and with the flash sale on top of that, it's like you're getting the family best friend discount, right? Because it's 2 discounts stacked together to save even more. If you're not in the club, you've got to go check it out. And you know what? These items are on flash sale for the first 24 hours. You go get them now. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.